Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if your iPhone keeps dimming. Your iPhone display keeps getting dimmer and you don't know why. When you turn on the screen brightness up, your iPhone just gets dim again. Why your iPhone keeps dimming? Most of the time your iPhone keeps dimming because auto brightness is turned on. Auto brightness is a feature that automatically adjusts the brightness of your iPhone screen depending on the lighting condition around you. At the night when it's get darker, auto brightness will make your iPhone display darker, so your eyes aren't blinded by what you're looking at on the screen. If you are out at beach on a bright and sunny day, auto brightness will usually make your iPhone display as bright as possible so you can actually see what's happening on the screen. The first step is you will have to turn off auto brightness if your iPhone keeps dimming and you want it to stop. So first of all, open your iPhone settings, then click on accessibility, then click on display and text size and then scroll down and turn off the auto brightness. So another reason why it may look like your iPhone keeps dimming is that night shift has turned on. Night shift is a feature that makes your iPhone display warmer, which can help make it easier fall asleep at the night after using your iPhone. Go to your iPhone settings, click on display at brightness and click on night shift. And if it's turned on and scheduled, you can simply turn it off, and so it may fix your problem. So once you have done this, then the next step is you have to turn off low power mode. Low power mode adjusts a variety of iPhone settings to help save battery life. One thing low power mode does is a reduce screen brightness. So to turn it off, head over to your iPhone settings and click on battery and make sure that low power mode is turned off. So once you have done this, then the next step is you have to turn off reduce white point on your iPhone. For that, go to settings, scroll down, click on accessibility and click on display and text size, and here you see reduce white point. Simply you can just toggle it off if it's turned on. So once you have done this and if it's still not working, then the next step is turn off always on display. The iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max come with a new feature, always on display. This feature dims your iPhone lock screen while still displaying some important information like the time and your widgets. To turn it off, simply go to settings if you have iPhone 14 or 14 Pro Max. Then simply click on display and brightness, and here you will get the option always on display. Make sure that you turn it off. So once you have done this, then the next step is restart your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone is a common fix for minor software problem that could be dimming display. Make sure that you restart your iPhone. So make sure that your iPhone is not hot. Your iPhone screen may dim when it becomes too hot. This is safety precaution built into the iPhone to help prevent hardware problems from occurring on your iPhone when it's overheat. So make sure that your iPhone is not overheat. If your iPhone is hard to touch, try putting it down shady spot for a while to let it cool off. So once you have done all those steps and if it's still not working, then make sure that you update your device. Go to settings, click on general and click on software update. Apple regularly releases software update to introduce new iPhone features, fix some bugs and errors. So make sure that if you see any update, click on download and install that update on your iPhone. So hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.